I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World.
Hi, Mrs. Vinster here from Jurplastic World, and thank you for joining me. It's that time of year. Halloween's coming, like, at the end of the week. So what we have here is Frankenstein's monster. Now, I made the mistake of referring to it as Frankenstein, but the doctor was Frankenstein, and this was his creation, his monster. Okay, so you see him right there, and then I'm just going to go with the colors I used. I used gold, gold, silver, black, Von Dyke brown was for the jacket, raw sienna, burnt sienna, mid yellow, mix that with leaf green to get the various greens, and the gray, titanium white, flesh tone, muslin, which is a creamy color, if you do not know that, and then crimson red for accenting the flesh in that one. Okay, so, but before, I should have actually started with the primer. This new primer that the professor bought me, it's really great. You can get it at Walmart. We got it online from Walmart. So it's nice and creamy, and it's better than what I was doing before, which was just plain white paint as a primer. But this is creamier, it's nicer, it's the paint really doesn't soak in once it's dry. When you go to your colors, they don't soak in. And what I wanted to show you, I have notes here, cheat sheet, or whatever you want to call it, so that I try to stay on topic and not forget where I was. And okay, so with this primer, instead of the white paint, if you go back and look at the cartoon or the comic character that I did of Black Cat, to get the look of leather, I used a black glossy paint. And for this one, I didn't use the black glossy paint, but as you can see, it looks like leather. So I'm really, that was the first part I started painting, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. So then we did that, and then if you can see here, right here, we were looking for a marble, but I thought, oh, that would be cool, find a marble the right size, fit in the I don't know what you'd call that, frame or something, marble. Anyways, didn't find a marble, but came across a glass bauble, and glued it in there with the help of the professor, of course, and the UV, the UV, you see him in the background waving at you. Oh, funny. Okay, back to the bauble. Yeah, you collect things, you find things, and you collect things, and that. So anyways, I think it looks great, because it was green itself, so then it added to the green of the different flushes. I don't know what you call them, patchwork? Yeah, patchwork. Okay, so did that, and that, okay, that, and then, oh yeah, I wanted to just say that if you're new to the channel, or you haven't seen some of our past videos, you should really go back and check some of the past videos, because I don't know if this is a bad thing or not, but I think the videos where the professor accidentally glues himself to his projects is some of the most hilarious things. I know, it's bad. Anyways, so we will check in on our time and see how we're going. We're going good. Okay, was there anything else I needed to tell you? No, but we did want to turn it. Okay. Oh, that was the other thing. Okay, I knew I was going to get off track. Okay, that was the other thing. On the turntable, the manual turntable I have at my station, it's old and it's got paint on it, and it's okay. But my problem in other videos is I hold up the projects, but I hold them out of frame. So in order to try and keep me in frame, we came up with the idea of double-sided tape. Oh, great! It'll stay on the thing, and it if I pick it up, I'll pick up the whole turntable. But I'm not going to put sticky residue on the professor's new turntable for here that he's let me borrow. So we won't do that. But we can turn it. Yes, thank you. Oops. Okay, you push the button and it starts to turn. There, yeah. There we go. You can speed it up?
Yep.
Okay. I might need the professor to help me with this because. Okay, plus. Okay, thank you. Okay, so then we'll go a little faster. Okay, maybe a little more.
That's good.
Okay, that's good. So then you get a good look at them. There we go. It turned out. I like it. I really like it. I did a plate here. Did that silver. And then it's got the bolts holding it in place. Thanks for watching. I'm Mrs. Vinster. And if you feel like it, and you like our videos, share our videos, subscribe to our channel.
Hype our videos.
Hype our videos. That's a new thing. Hype our videos. I think
we work hard.
Even though
I'm sitting back here, we do work hard.
And again, happy Halloween.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.